DIY. It's not going to be a long video. I'm just going to go ahead and get it out of the way. What you will need is a bowl of water. And just sit your stand in it. And this is used to just get the paper to come straight off, because sometimes that's a hassle to get off. So that's what the water is for. And I left that sitting before I actually started the video. You'll need a glue gun, scissors, mirror, Windex, of course. And yeah, whatever I'm making is another stand for my party. It's not so glam, but it is glass, so it will look good, you know, next to the glam stuff that we did previously do. And what you want to do is wet your towel and just give, let's go with the towel one, and just give it a nice little clean. Yep, just wipe it down. Wipe your fingerprints off the previous dusty collect. You want to make sure it's clean. I'm going to do both of them. Okay. Oh, I forgot to mention you will need some E6000 glue along with your glue stick, just to give it an extra hold. Okay. Before you apply that up here, wipe your mirror off. And again, y'all, I got all of this from Hobby Lobby. So you can find your stands, your mirror, the E6000 glue, the glue gun, the glue sticks, all at Hobby Lobby. And if you don't want to spend that amount on your stands, you can go to your local dollar store, of course. And they have something similar to this. Now, I'm not sure if they have tall ones, but that's no problem. Because all you have to do is E6000 glue and hot glue, the same method that we're about to do to attach these two. You can attach these two to make it as tall as you want to make it tall. That's it. But I don't need an extra tall one, so I'm just using that one and that one. It already came like that, so yeah. Use your E6000 glue, put it at the tip of it, at the top, you know, put enough amount on it, y'all, for extra support. Use your glue as well. You will have to move at a quicker pace because glue do dry quickly. And you just want to make sure it's placed in the center. Give it a little push. And I'm going to leave this to dry overnight. Or a few hours. But I will give you pictures on how this looks. So it's not completely dry as of yet, but I will do video and pictures to show you guys exactly how it looks. And yeah, that's all you have to do to complete this. I'm not putting no glam on it. I'm not putting no crystals. I'm just leaving it just like this. And once you see it on the table, you will know why, because we don't need everything glistening. So this is it, y'all. Quick, simple. Monkey see, monkey do. I can do it, so can you. Less than 5 minutes. You can actually do this project for less than $6. Everything, they even sell this at the dollar store. So if that's the route you want to go, you can go. You don't have to go to your local Hobby Lobby. But yeah, so go to the dollar store if you're on a budget. Get it in, get it done. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you think about this video. And yeah, until next time. Okay, y'all, this is the finishing product. And I actually have about 5 of these. 2 tall, 3 small. And even though I didn't bedazzle it, it still came out pretty nice. And I thought it needed overnight to dry, y'all. Less than 10 minutes. And it's dry. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you guys think about this video. If there's any videos that you want me to do, please comment down. I'm sure I can get to them before the busy season gets started. So try to get out as much content as I can before I get too busy that I cannot. So don't forget, you guys, to comment what you guys think, like and subscribe, and share this video. Thanks, y'all. Until next time.